Hey, hi, hello, welcome back. It's me. I'm actually showing my face. Whoa! Anyways, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So, if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're not new here, welcome back. It is a beautiful spring day today, and I very much want to plant my entire garden, but I'm not gonna fall for that. I've seen snow in May before, so I'm not gonna fall for it yet. Anyways, today we are doing a fun recipe. I actually got this recipe from Jane. You'll see her in the comments sometimes, so if you see Jane in the comments, just be like, hi. She's a really cool human. She's a really cool human, okay? She's a really cool human. Anyway, hey Jane. So Jane and I were talking a while ago, and we were talking about hummus. I think I was eating some lemon garlic hummus that I bought from the store, and she was like, we should make it. Or maybe I said I don't remember, but we made it. So we're using Jane's recipe for homemade hummus. I say we're using Jane's recipe, but I changed it a little bit because that's what I do. I don't have measurements, so just follow along with me. And you can make this however you want. The first thing I did is I took an entire head of garlic and turned the oven to 400 degrees, and wrapped the garlic in foil and baked it for about 35 minutes. You can take a whole head and do it clove by clove, and you can fry it in olive oil, which is what I did last time, which was fantastic. Either way works. So let's go make this lemon garlic hummus. Okay, I have 2 cans of chickpeas that I have drained and rinsed, and I'm gonna put them in here. All right, the next thing I'm going to add is some tahini. Now, this is where Jane and I are different, because she likes to use peanut butter in place of tahini. I don't like peanut butter, like, at all. Like, I don't like peanut butter. So if you want, you can use peanut butter or you can use tahini. I'm just over here shaking it. I'm just shaking it. I'm gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons to at least begin with. Again, I'm not gonna measure, but I'm gonna add what looks to be about 1.5 tablespoons. That may have been like 2 tablespoons, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna add a bunch of olive oil. I usually add quite a bit, and then I blend it all together, and then I add more. Now I'm gonna add salt. I don't have a measurement for the salt, but don't add a lot. Just add some and then see how it tastes after you blend it up, and then add more salt. Okay, now I'm gonna add this entire head of garlic that I just roasted in the oven. I think I got pretty much all of it. Alright, I'm gonna add the juice of probably 3 lemons because my lemons are really small. They're like the size of limes. So I'm just gonna add 3 lemons. If you've got big lemons, start with 1 and go from there. Or you don't even have to do lemon. I'm just making lemon and garlic hummus. Alright, now I'm going to put a lid on it, blend it up, see what it's like. Then we can add more salt, tahini, olive oil, whatever I think it needs. Definitely more olive oil, for sure. All right, I've got these naan crackers from Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna tell you if it's good. It's so good. I can tell you I added a ton of olive oil and probably double the tahini that I originally put in, but it's so good. The lemon makes it so fresh. I highly recommend this recipe if you like lemon and garlic and hummus, obviously. Alright, I'm gonna put this into probably some mason jars. I think that's what I'm gonna do.